First tip, we want to have our A-frame nice and centralized in our machine with our rams nice and vertical. This is going to mimic the position the machine was commissioned in, so it's going to be its most accurate. Next tip, for the passes that matter, we want to have a mast at a 90-degree angle to our machine at all times. So that's whether we're going uphill, downhill. Imagine there's a line between the center of our wheels. Keep the mast at a 90-degree angle to that. We want to have a 3D tip as our leading edge. We can have this as our non-leading edge, but for the passes that matter, that's where the system gets its information from. You don't want it working backwards. Next tip is our bolt holes. So these are labeled from front to back, front one being number 1, 2, 3, and so on. So if we change one of these bolt holes, we want to make sure we update this in the Earthworks display. If we need to pitch our blade, we can change our bolt hole here to keep our mast at a 90-degree angle to the machine. The next one is quite simple. We just want to zero the articulation of the machine. Last tip I got here is just the final system sense check. Give myself confidence that the machine setup is good. The work I do today is going to be to a high standard, so I'm not going to have to come back and then redo it. So all I'm doing is I put some marks on the ground earlier, and I've just put the blade in autos on finish level, and I'm just going to measure the difference between the blade and those marks, and the numbers should match. Okay, so here's my marks I put down earlier. These are how far below finished design level the current surface is, and the blade is sitting at finished design level. So I've got 112 millimeters on this side, so I check that. I've got 110 millimeters there, so I'm happy with that. We'll just check this side. Got 107. And we've got 108 millimeters. So I'm good for the day.